Every year, southern right whales migrate north to their breeding grounds, swimming thousands of kilometers from Antarctic waters to protective bays along the coastline of the Southern Cape in South Africa. In nursery areas like the Hoek Marine Protected Area, Walker Bay, Mossel Bay, and Plettenberg Bay, where large aggregations occur, the mother-calf pairs seem to remain in the same area. Conversely, mother-calf pairs found along the coastline in areas with lower numbers appear to move on a daily basis, patrolling behind the shoreline. Determining how far they move is difficult. For the first 6 to 8 weeks after the calf is born, the mother-calf pair are not particularly active and do not breach or tail slap, limiting the possibility of visual identification and the ability to calculate the distance that they patrol on a daily basis. Species identification features of southern right whales include their stocky bulk, a lack of a dorsal fin, and the distinctive white patches on their head and tail. While southern right whales have 3 color morphs ranging from black, mottled, and brindle, the white head and tail patches are not a result of pigmentation. Known as callosities, they are formed by patches of rough skin that they are born with, which is colonized by a type of marine lice. The callosities have a unique pattern for each whale and can be used to identify individuals. Capturing the callosity patterns of the mother and calf pairs helps in determining how far they patrol each day, providing some insight into their movements in the nursery area. Recently, using this non-invasive method of identification, it was possible to calculate an estimate of how far a mother-calf pair traveled over a 24-hour period in the garden route. In the first week of September, 2 mother-calf pairs were observed and identified approximately 18 kilometers apart, one in the Kokama Marine Protected Area and one at Kleinkrans. 24 hours later, a pair was sighted behind the surf break at Wilderness. Initially, it was assumed that they were the pair sighted at Kleinkrans on the previous day. Looking at the head callosities of the 2 mothers, the one from the Kokama Marine Protected Area showed a distinctive line pattern comprising 4 small callosities between the blowhole and the large callosity at the end of her upper jaw. By comparison, in the same head region, the female from Kleinkrans had 3 small callosities in a triangular formation. This callosity identification revealed that the pair seen at Wilderness was indeed the pair seen in Kokama, and that they had moved 27 kilometers from their original sighting. Though this observation did not give an indication of the actual distance that the pair had swum over the 24 hours between sightings, it did provide an insight into the distance that mother-calf pairs can move in a low-density nursery area. Once the calves get older, the mothers will teach them to tail slap and breach, exercises that will strengthen and prepare them for their first migration to their summer feeding grounds down south. But till then, they seem content to occupy their days with a series of sedate swims across the nursery grounds.